Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to save ANY Roblox game to your PC using RoSaver. It's super easy. Let's go. Scroll to bottom, click download RoSaver. Waiting. Drag the downloaded zip to desktop. Open zip, extract folder to desktop. Open Chrome, extensions. Toggle developer mode on. Click load, unpacked gives select extracted folder. Let's test it. I'm going to use Grow a Garden as an example. First, copy the place ID from the URL up here. Now open RoSaver, paste that ID right here. Click Save Game. And watch this, it's already downloading Wheat. While that finishes, I'll open Roblox Studio. File open ... and we'll grab that file that just downloaded. Look at that, Grow a Garden file right here. Double click and oh snap, it actually works. Full map, all the scripts, everything's here.